What's special about today other than it's April Fool's, Kim?
I'm getting my braces off.
Let's see that face. Let's see a smile. Let's see the bottom teeth.
Scooters, motorcycles, and off-road vehicles. 4x4s, pickup trucks.
So how does it feel to be getting those braces off, Dollykins?
8 of the best dealers have rolled their wheels into...
I am awfully glad to get
Turn that radio off, please. Give me a smile at us, please, one more time. This is it. This is the end, Dollykins. We're gonna go get them off right now.
Let's go.
Get out then.
Bye.
Bye. Did you have any...